This video will walk you through the setup and calibration process for the DigiStar EZ2500V scale kit. First, we will look at startup and initial scale setup. To turn the scale display on, press the on-off button on the top right corner of the display. The unit will power up and then display the current weight readout. To enter the setup menu, press the select button in the bottom right corner, which will display the word setup on the screen. Then press and hold the function button, which is beside the select button. Displayed on the screen will be the default setup number. This number will need to be adjusted depending on the number of load cells on your machine. Displayed on screen is the setup number that is associated with the given number of load cells. In this example, the machine has 8 load cells, and therefore, the setup number required is 147048. To adjust the number, use the select button to adjust the blinking number, then click the function button to cycle through to the next number. Once the correct number is displayed on the screen, press but do not hold the on-off button to confirm the setup number. Next, the starting calibration number will be entered. This number will be changed during the calibration process, but the initial value will be based off the number of load cells as displayed on the screen. Again, in this example, we are using 8 load cells, and therefore the starting calibration number will be 30236. This number is adjusted the same way as the setup number, using the select and function buttons. Once the correct number has been entered, press but do not hold the on-off button to confirm the starting calibration number. The DigiStar scale is now set up and a calibration may be performed. To start the calibration process, fill your BBI spreader with a known weight of product. If the displayed weight value does not match the known weight, the calibration number will need to be adjusted. In this example, the known weight in the bin is 2,115 pounds and the displayed weight is 2,100 pounds. To calculate the new calibration number, take the known weight and divide it by the displayed weight, then multiply that value by the current calibration number to determine the new calibration number. In this example, the known weight is 2,115, which we divide by the displayed weight, 2,100. This gives us 1.007, which we then multiply by the current calibration number, 30236, which was set during the initial setup based on the 8 load cells on the machine. This results in the new calibration number 30451. To enter the new calibration number, click the select button, then press and hold the function button. The first number displayed is the setup number, which should not be changed. Click but do not hold the on-off button to go to the calibration number. From here, use the select and function buttons to change the calibration number to the new value. Click the on-off button to confirm the new calibration number and the calibration is now complete.